Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make cracked text effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, go to text tool and type anything that you want. I'm typing cracked effect and make it center align and make the text size bigger. Hit OK. Now go to blending options. I'm adding drop shadow to make it more visible and hit OK and make it center align with the background. Great. Now go to file, place embedded and import the crack texture, transform it to the text size and hit OK. Now change that blend mode to linear blur and we are done. And now create a clipping mask that will only affect the text. Now crack text effect is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.